let me show you why. Right, we want to make sure that the Vault user, when you install Vault, it configures a user for you. It configures the Vault user. Right, let me just show you. SE password grab Vault. Right, it configures this Vault user for you. And we want to make sure that the Vault user has access to everything under opt, Vault, everything. Right now, it might not have access to everything. Root might have access to some of these things. See, uh, the most important one right here, right? This server cert that Vault's going to use, Vault doesn't have access to it. Vault doesn't have access to this PIM file, to this key file either. So to make sure that it does, we're going to sudo chown Vault. We're going to make sure that Vault has access. The Vault user and the Vault group has access to everything under opt Vault or opt Vault. Boom. Now, if we ls that directory again, you can see Vault has control of everything. Now, now, let's go ahead and restart Vault. Sudo systemctl restart.